just driving on the highway, minding your own business, going through a construction zone like we have here everywhere in Austin, and bam, your car just gets hit by some debris on the road. Although we specialize in hail damage, we're a permanent local PDR company here in Cedar Park, and we always make time for any kind of damage that can be done with Paintless Dent Repair. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie, and behind me we have a 2025 Toyota Camry. It got some severe damage in the rail from some road debris, and we are fixing this today using Paintless Dent Repair. This is severe damage for Paintless Dent Repair, and we had to use every trick in the book in order to keep this vehicle completely original. Instead of having to go to a body shop and having this area painted, which would end up painting all the way through the quarter panel, even for this damage up here, this customer chose Paintless Dent Repair, and it really came out fantastic here at the Recon Shop. Remember, if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. We're conveniently located here in Cedar Park, and I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.